Meghalya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the first unit of Ganol Hydel power project. Around 7.5 megawatt unit of the 22.5 megawatt Ganol hydropower project comes from under the first unit. The project has encountered several delays since it was conceived in 2006, and there is a cost escalation from Rs 356 crore to Rs 507 crore. The project is being implemented in Chibragre, around 15 km from Tura. It will be the first hydropower project in the Garo Hills region. Power generation has been a hurdle in Garo Hills region, especially during dry winter months, and commissioning of the project will largely meet the peak electricity demands.
I'm sure that with the inauguration of this project, the augmentation of the overall power supply will go up. Of course, there's a lot more to be done in order to ensure that we are self-sufficient, but this is also one step forward to ensure that we move towards our goal of becoming self-sufficient in our power generation.